Welcome back, students. So now we have m dash is equal to 4m, that is equal to 4 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. M dash is equal to 4m, that is 4 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Now h is equal to 3570 kilometers. So it will be equal to 3.578 into 10 raised to 7 meters. So it is nothing but 35.78 into 10 raised to 6 meters. Here I have converted from kilometers, I have converted it to meters. I hope this step is clear to you all. Now next thing, G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and you have to find how much is T. We have to find out the value of T. Now the time that the satellite would take to complete one revolution around the earth, that is nothing but T. T value is equal to 2 pi into r plus h. Now escape velocity Vc is equal to square root of Gm dash upon r plus h. Gm dash upon r plus h. So when you substitute this escape velocity, T is equal to 2 pi r plus h upon Vc. So this Vc value substitute over here. So you will get T is equal to 2 pi r plus h and then the value of Vc. So you are substituting this value of Vc over here in the value of T. So it will become, therefore T is equal to 2 pi r plus h upon square root of Gm dash slash r plus h. This is the value of Vc that I have substituted. So it will be equal to 2 pi upon square root of Gm dash, and r plus h is under the square root sign. If you take it above, it will become r plus h the whole raised to 3 upon 2. I hope this step is clear to you all. How we all got 2 pi upon Gm dash r plus h the whole raised to 3 upon 2. Now when you substitute the actual values, it will become 2 pi 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 m plus 35.78 into 10 raised to 6 m the whole raised to 3 upon 2 upon square root of 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, this is the G value, into 4 into 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. It will become this value. So it will be 2 pi 42 point, when I solve this it will become 42.18 into 10 raised to 6 raised to 3 upon 2 upon square root of 6.67 into 24 into 10 raised to 13. So this will become 2 pi square root of 42.18 the whole cube into 10 raised to 18 upon square root of 6.67 into 2.4 into 10 raised to 14 seconds. This will be seconds. Okay, so it will be equal to 2 into pi value I will write 3.142 into square root of 42.183 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 4 upon 6.67 into 2.4. So over here the value will become equal to, or it will be approximately equal to, 4.303 into 10 raised to 4 upon 3600 hours. That seconds we have converted it into hours. Now again, if you are converting into seconds, that will be approximately, if you want to write in seconds, it will be 4.303 into 10 raised to 4 seconds. So which is approximately 11.95 hours, or you can say 11 hours 57 minutes 10 seconds. 11 hours 57 minutes 10 seconds. Thank you, students.